SOLIDWORKS, it is very often needed to change the view of your model. A very quick way to change the view is by holding down Ctrl and pressing 1 through 7. This is a shortcut to the standard views of your model. Once you get the hang of them, these shortcuts are very useful. Another great tool is your orientation box, which allows you to select which view you want. Simply press space and the selection box appears, where you can select your model orientation and save the current view orientation. These saved views can be used in a later model or drawing. You can also access the view selector by pressing Ctrl and space. This gives you a visual representation of the views of your model, and can be very useful to get yourself a visual overview.